Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
And if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. I am back with this highly requested video. You guys have requested how I blow dry my daughter's hair for the longest time, and I am styling her hair. But the blow drying technique is the same. It's just the back is in a ponytail. Your girl has been dealing with a lot. I don't know if you guys know, I don't know if I've mentioned it in the video, but I suffer from insomnia. And sometimes when my insomnia gets really bad, it makes my anxiety bad, and it's just a snowball effect. And also on top of that, my camera started tripping. So your girl's just been going through it. But nonetheless, I'm back like I never left. And we're going to get right back into these videos. We're going to pick up where we left off. And you guys are going to see this hairstyle probably Tuesday or Wednesday. One of those days. Anyway, let me get into the tutorial. So when I blow dry my children's hair, as you see, I'm using the tension method. The tension method is holding the hair taut, as you see me doing there, and letting the heat from the blow dryer stream directly down onto the hair. Now, I have a comb attachment. To do the tension method, you don't need a comb attachment, but I like a comb attachment. Now, I want you to notice that I'm not combing through her hair at this time. I'm just allowing the heat to dry her hair. And also notice that I'm going in the direction of the hair. So if I lift the hair up, I'm drying upward. If I'm holding the hair down, as you see there, I dry the hair downward. So as you can see, it's stretching the hair. Do you see how her hair is stretching? And this is allowing the heat and the tension to dry her hair, but not putting the heat close and directly into her hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, the heat is coming out of the blow dryer, but it's not coming from the blow dryer directly into her hair. There's a filter between the two, and that does make a difference on whether you know it or not. As you see, her hair is stretching pretty well with me doing the tension method. As you can see, her hair is getting more and more elongated. Now, when I run the blow dryer through her hair, that is to remove some of the texture. So her hair is mostly dry, not completely dry, but now, as you see what I'm doing here, I want to remove some of the texture from her hair. So I want the ponytail part that I'm blow drying through, I want that to be of more of a silkier, straighter texture. That's why I'm using the comb. You can blow dry your hair using the tension method without the comb, but using the comb allows me to pull some of the tension and some of the texture. I'm sorry, I said tension. Some of the texture out of her hair, and that is what I want. Her hair was co-washed, and I used the Smooth Through Detangler to co-wash her hair. I don't have any other products on her hair that I'm blow drying through now. The Smooth Through Detangler allows her hair to be silky and shiny. Well, silky when you blow dry it, but it allows her hair to be shiny without adding additional products. And that's why you see the ponytail part of her hair that I'm blow drying through now. That's why that part is so shiny. I have not added any of the styling aid to that part. And when you see the tutorial on this hairstyle, it'll make more sense to you. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys so we can get back on track. We're getting ready to go back to school. We're going to go back to school with healthy hair habits so we can be on top of the game when school starts back. I've given you guys a number of easy hairstyles to transition to. As you can see here, her hair is very free flowing. It's not stiff as if I put like grease or oil or silk serums or anything like that. It didn't make her hair stiff or anything, and that is why I love to use the Smooth Through Detangler as a deep conditioner, hands down. Co-wash, hands down. You are going to love it. Look at how her hair is stretched out. Look at the shine on her hair simply by using the Smooth Through Detangler as a deep conditioner. That's it. A lot of times you ask me, what do I use to make my girl's hair so shiny? This is it, guys. I just use the Smooth Through Detangler as a deep conditioner, and once I blow dry her hair, once I style her hair, it automatically has shine, because once you allow the Smooth Through Detangler to be used as a deep conditioner. That's why I stress deep conditioning to you guys. It lifts the cuticle and it allows the product to go underneath the cuticle. And then once you rinse the hair, it seals all of that goodness into the hair, and these are the results you get. So it minimizes the products that you have to buy. It minimizes the amount of product that you have to put on your hair. Other than shampooing her hair, I detangle with the Smooth Through Detangler, I deep condition with the Smooth Through Detangler, I co-wash with the Smooth Through Detangler, and I style with the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. So in this video, you've only seen me use, well, you didn't see me use, but when you see the tutorial to make sense, one product to detangle and then one product to style. So the Perfect Assist Styling Aid is on the part of her hair that's not being blow dried. So the part that's flat to her head. So back to the blow drying tutorial. As you see, when I hold her hair up, I'm still applying tension, but not hard. You don't pull the kid's hair. Don't snatch the head off. But I'm pulling the hair taut and I'm moving up the hair, going in the direction of the hair, drying the hair, adding the heat to the hair. Then I go back down because I want to dry the hair underneath there as well. Her hair is pretty thick, so that's why you see me do it in sections. But this technique, again, you don't need the comb, and this comb is probably, let me see, about 6 or 7 years old. They don't even make this comb anymore. I bought this comb from a hair show that my daughter was in about 6 or 7 years ago, and I went back to look for it and I can't find the comb anywhere. So I can't even tell you guys where to get this comb, but I will say I love this comb. It has stood the test of time. It has done what I needed it to do, along with my blow dryer, which has been discontinued. I buy quality things, you guys. I buy stuff that lasts me years and years. This blow dryer is probably about maybe 10 years old and it still works. And I love quality stuff. One time I dropped this blow dryer. You see the nicks on it. You see all the nicks and scratches on it. I dropped the blow dryer and it still worked. I mean, it didn't fall apart. It didn't break, but I paid a pretty penny for it as well. So, but it has paid for itself throughout the years. This blow dryer, I think it's about maybe 10 years old. I think I had this blow dryer before I had my daughter. My youngest daughter. I know I had it before I had my son, my youngest son. So anyway, yeah, you see how I'm just following her hair in the direction that it's going. As you see, I don't always run the teeth of the comb through the blow dryer, and that is helping to decrease heat damage as well. It's helping to straighten the hair, but not running the comb through the hair where you can increase heat damage by running the comb directly into the hair, the teeth of the comb directly into the hair, and the heat is coming out directly onto the hair over and over again. This is how I have blow dried my daughter's hair for years. It has worked for me for years. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will talk to you guys in the next video. It feels so good to be back doing this voiceover. It hasn't been that long, but to me it feels like forever. Thank you guys for supporting TM Hair Products, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.